How's it going, everybody? It's another super awesome day today. We are up in Tokyo. That's right. I brought Brad. Brad's going home tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, we're in Tokyo right now. We're about to go to the Kit Kat confectionery and go check that out. I don't really care right now. We're in Tokyo. We're gonna go see some stuff. So let's go. We have made it to the GINZA Kit Kat chocolate store. So let's get inside and go see what they got. That is so cool. I want to order that. Can we get one of these? What? What is that?
You order what you want.
You can custom order your own Kit Kats here. Like it says happy birthday, or I'm getting these for my kids. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. You need to draw it here and they'll custom make it for you. Ooh. I mean, I really would rather have that. You can see here they have all these different custom flavors and Kit Kats. And to give you an idea, that price right there is for one box. So I think it comes with just 1 or 2 Kit Kats per box. But they have a bunch of different flavors here. Here you can see you can get a box like that. It's 2,200 yen. But I feel like it's worth it. I definitely am thinking about picking up the box. Oh my god. Sorry, I just got really excited. $50 though. And it's worth it. I didn't know this is a thing, but there's whiskey barrel aged Kit Kats. Yeah. The selection here is impressive. And then if you can't read any of this, we did get an English menu. So you have your passion fruit, your yuzu, your strawberry. Yeah, and you got all those. And then of course that big box there, you can see it's 5,500. And then white bitter, volcanic. This is a great stop to get some Kit Kats. This is definitely worth a stop. Wouldn't you say Kit Kats are delicious? Or how about this one? Yeah. It doesn't look good as the mask. Let's see what else they got here. Thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, I was reading about the custom Kit Kats here. It says it takes about 90 minutes to make each, the little box here. The one I'm right here. So 90 minutes gives you plenty of time to go down the street, check some things out, look around, and just have a good time. This is so exciting. I'm probably not going to pick anything up today, but you know what? Let's do a give out. If I can get 300 subscribers, I'll give away the $50 box to somebody, random subscriber. We need to hit 300 subscribers though, so I will come back here for that just to give out. Either way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep going. He just bought his Kit Kat bag. The bag looks really cool too. He spent about $120. Very easy to do there. Totally worth it. And it comes with a list. I hope they have an online website so we can buy more. Check out the Starbucks drink, the banana almond milk. Yep, we're checking out Starbucks, see if we can get the custom cups from Tokyo. Yep, they have the Tokyo one here. You can see, I don't know if I'm holding that right. Yep, that's pretty cool. How about 200 subscribers? I'll give this one out to somebody, huh? We're only 8 away on that one. If you would like items like that every month, check out my Patreon page where I will make it worthwhile if you sign up for it. There's multiple levels, so check that out. Now we're gonna look at this really crazy building. Look at the size of that. Like, there's a regular store right there, and then, like, who lives there, Brad?
Skinny people.
It's just, I mean, half of the building is the staircase. That is awesome. I also need you all to subscribe so we can hit 1,000 subscribers so we can go live all the time. But besides that, we're at Shake Shack. So I'm gonna get the Smoke Shack. I believe you are too. And then over here, I'm going to get a milkshake. Right there, yep, right there. The milkshakes are right here. Because that is delicious. I'll probably just get a small because we still have some walking to do. I was looking at all the merchandise they have here, and they have this really cool Tokyo one. And then, yeah. Some merch, huh? I'm nowhere near that yet. We got this sweet seat outside. Look at this big old building right here. And then I got the double with bacon and cheese. And then there's my vanilla milkshake. So Brad's still waiting on his food. And there it is. How was that, Brad?
Fantastic.
That's right. That was a good refresher because we have decided we're going to Shibuya right now. I will do a video of Shibuya area in the future, but today we're just going to get going and check it out for Brad. We have made it to Shibuya. I'm going to call it that. It's not the right way to do it, but anyway, that building was not here the last time. That train tunnel. I say last time as in like 2017, so a lot has changed since then. But we're about to hit the famous square, the busy intersection. And here we are. All right, any second now, here we go.
Nobody else will walk us through here.
Yeah, buddy. Oh man, this has been fun. I'm having so much. Look,
This is a little different.
look. It's not a little different. It's a lot different. It's a lot more to see, more to do. I mean, look at that. That's nothing we've been doing this whole time. What do you got over here? Oh my gosh. It's Japan IKEA. My wife would spend all my money. Okay, we're talking about Japan IKEA real quick because there are 7 floors of IKEA. And then you check out down here on the bottom floor. Let's go. Oh no, the 7th floor is closed. It's under construction. But we found these weird IKEA Legos. Is that IKEA Legos? Okay. All right. I don't see a price on 1,400 yen. It's about 15 bucks or something like that. Yeah. 6 floors of IKEA, not 7 due to construction, but I mean, dressers. It looks so bad, like 17,990, right? But like really, it's only $170. And IKEA has been checked off the list of things to see in Japan. I don't even know anymore. Look at this building. Oh, we're just kind of walking around right now, checking some out. Anybody need some shoes? We found this park on top of a building called Miyashita Park, open till 11, and there's a skate park, like skateboard, scooters, stuff like that, rollerblades. Yeah, we're just outside of the Shibuya Square. They got all these trees, plants, and it's actually really quiet up here, even though the trains are running right down there. They also have a climbing wall here. Like, that looks like a challenge. There's a Tower Records here. The entrance is down over here. A guy I know, I worked with, and I also traveled with to EDC and stuff, told me about the Tower Records in Shibuya. There it is. That's awesome. This park up here is so cool, and yeah, I don't know, tonight's been really amazing. So if you've been enjoying tonight's video, of course, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. We would love to get to 1,000 subscribers. Then we wouldn't be cutting and piecing everything together so we could see all these things. We could just go live, we walk around and enjoy it all. And I need 1,000 subscribers, unfortunately, to get to that point. But I'm hoping you all can help me out with that. Also, if you wanted those really cool things like Kit Kats, the Starbucks mugs, stuff like that, the giveaways will be coming. And of course, check out my Patreon account where those things are given out every month at certain tier levels. So we just came from down there and we came to this. Look at this. That's awesome. Let's go check it out. This is so cool. Like, been here 130 days and I finally get to see stuff like this. This is amazing. Alright everybody, that's going to be it from us tonight. We're just going to be riding the train back and calling it a night. But man, what a great day here in Tokyo with Brad's last night here in Japan. Now you're less than 24 hours. Yes. So if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I'm doing some giveaways. I love the support and it's free to do. So thanks for watching everybody. I'll see you next time.